Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you, how to make duets on TikTok.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
TikTok has a duet feature, which allows you to create a duet with a celebrity, a friend or a person you love. Watch this full video to learn, how to make duets on TikTok. To begin, open the TikTok application. Find a video which you want to create a duet for. You can choose videos that are suggested to you on your feed, or head to a specific user's profile, to find one of their videos. Tap the share button on the right. A menu will pop up. There you will see a duet option displayed on that menu. Tap on it. Tap or long press the video camera button, at the bottom of your screen, to record your duet video. You will see the progress bar at the top. After it's completed, tap on Done. You can also use filters, add effects, or text, or stickers in your video. Then tap on Next. You can add hashtags, type your description to the video, and set who can view this video. Then finally, tap on Post, to share your video. The video will start to process immediately, and you will see the progress at the top of the screen. That's it. The video has been uploaded. You can share this video to any of these social network apps. Now go to your profile, and check the video. So in this way, you can make duets on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.